Seminole County deputy is facing criminal DUI charges after troopers say he caused a traffic crash New Year's Eve. Witnesses say Deputy Paul Reese tried to switch seats with a female passenger right after that crash. West 2's Bob Keeling is live along I-4 and Lee Road where that crash happened. And Bob, that deputy is now on paid leave.
Yeah, that's right. And Jim, according to witnesses, that New Year's Eve, Reese was weaving in and out of lanes at a high rate of speed. And then right here at I-4 and Lee Road, he rear-ended another car, according to troopers. But it's his alleged actions after that accident that are raising questions about whether he tried to escape responsibility. According to arrest papers, when Seminole County Deputy Paul Reese spoke to the investigating trooper, his eyes were bloodshot and glassy, and there was a strong odor of alcohol coming from his facial area. A witness says he saw Reese attempt to change seats with a female passenger. West 2 legal analyst Alicia Adamson questions what Reese may have been trying to do.
Oh yeah, it's very troubling to hear if he was in fact trying to switch seats, that he's avoiding a situation which he should probably take responsibility for.
Troopers say Reese also refused to answer questions or take a field sobriety test, but Adamson says the deputy was well within his rights to do so.
As a criminal defense attorney, I tell my clients, you have the right to say no. You have a constitutional right not to do field sobriety exercises, not to take the breathalyzer, not to answer any questions. So
Reese was taken to jail and charged with DUI with property damage or injury. He has since bonded out and pleaded not guilty to the charges. Adamson says it's ironic that on one of the busiest nights of the year for DUI enforcement, a law enforcement officer is the one allegedly under the influence, endangering other drivers.
If you're going to ask someone not to do something, then you shouldn't do it either.
Now, a spokeswoman for the Seminole County Sheriff's Office tells us that Reese has been on the force there for 12 years and has no disciplinary actions in his file. His attorney has not returned our request for comment. Reporting live along I-4, Bob Keeling, West 2 News.